Hello and welcome. It's 29th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have HAL join hands with US sanctioned Russia firm to make regional jets in India. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have EU's top leadership to be chief guest at next year's Republic Day. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have silver flares fired into clouds. Delhi takes 2 shots at summoning rain. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have guarding data and quantum computers to Life 2.0 finest Gen Next in Indian science. Again, very important from science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have emissions not targeted, gains are small, the challenges of cloud seeding. Again, very important for environment as well as science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have hit and trial solution. Clouds are complex, not all seedable, have to research, document more. Then we have tendency to downplay income. Court denies interim maintenance to women. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, breast cancer awareness month. Again, very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have parliamentary diplomacy can help solve challenges facing UN, says BJP MP. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have cyclone Montha makes landfall in Andhra, rain pounds Odisha. Again, very important for disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have from 5,000 to 9,000 camel prices soar in Pushkar amid buzz over new rules. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have this editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says that Jamaica challenge flux in US-China ties has consequences for Asian countries. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have home within you. To be child from Bihar is to know you will leave your roots behind. Again, very important editorial. Then we have SIR more inclusive. Again, very important editorial for polity and governance perspective. Then we have the Asian Pacts. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have rethink the master plans. Urban planning in India is outdated, largely restricted itself to land use planning. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have maritime security can't be confined to threat containment, says Navy Chief. Again, very important news. Then we have your vote and the SIR, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have the world page where we have Netanyahu orders powerful strikes on Gaza, says Hamas breached the deal. Then we have Pak-Afghanistan peace talks end in stalemate after 3 days. Then we have military-backed Myanmar party begins campaign for December polls. Then we have US launched 3 strikes on drug running boats off Colombia, killing 14. Then we have Zelensky says Kyiv ready for peace talks. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then lastly, we have the economy page. India-European Union talks gather peace trade. EU trade negotiators to visit on November 3. And Trump-Takashi ink deal on rare earth minerals, reiterating commitment to existing pacts. Lastly, we have enough crude oil available globally, says the petroleum minister. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.